2022 BMW X3 is ready to undergo a mid-cycle refresh, or life cycle impulse for LCI as BMW is called. In standalone trim with a starting price of around $44,695, it offers the same engine specs as the 2.0 L 248 horsepower turbo engine. As revealed from the spy shots, the facelift adds new colors, new exterior and interior elements, and bigger dimensions. For more power, the 382 HP 2022 X3 M40i and 473 horsepower 2022 BMW X3 M are also available. In a greener approach, the X3 PHEV is also available for 49 grand. The design looks minimalist but still respects the older generation. Packed with many features and technologies, LCI also enhances the interior quality. Changes include bigger wheels, improved driver assistance technology, and a smoother driving experience. Under the hood, the brand hasn't changed the 248 horsepower turbocharged i4 2.0 L unit from last year. However, for power lovers, the BMW X3 M40i 382 horsepower 2022 is also available from $58,700 onwards. BMW had teased the X3M and X4M before launch, and the redesigned models look even more spectacular than their spy shots. Due to its flavorful profile, the BMW X3 2022 plug-in hybrid model is expected to arrive in late summer 2021 with a slightly higher price tag of around $49,000. With specs pointing towards the segment, the 2022 BMW X3 has no doubts against other top sellers such as the Volvo XC60, Audi Q5, and Mercedes-Benz GLC class. Other good names in this segment include the Porsche Macan, Alfa Romeo Stevio, Acura RDX, Range Rover Velar, Cadillac XT5, Jaguar F-Pace, Lexus NX, Lincoln Corsair, and Land Rover Discovery Sport. Like its predecessor, the 2022 BMW X3 will continue in one standalone trim with a slight increase in price of $1,695. Without additional assistance and a $995 destination fee, the MSRP will start at $44,695 onwards for standard RWD builds. With the X-Drive AWD drivetrain, the price goes up by $2,000 and the sticker price stands at $46,700. While the 2022 BMW X3 will get an aesthetic LCI this year, the same can't be said for getting a powerhouse under the hood. Powering the ride is the same 2.0 L turbocharged inline-4 engine that makes 248 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. For more power, BMW has the X3 M40i with 382 horsepower while the X3M has 473 horsepower with its 3.0 L twin-turbo unit. Apart from that, there's also the 2022 BMW X3 PHEV which combines the standard 2.0 L4 pot with a hybrid unit for better MPG numbers and an overall greener approach in the current scenario. For a full electric option, the BMW X3 2022 is also available. While the 2022 BMW X3 will get an aesthetic LCI this year, the same can't be said for getting a powerhouse under the hood. Powering the ride is the same 2.0 L turbocharged inline-4 engine that makes 248 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. For more power, BMW has the X3 M40i with 382 horsepower while the X3M has 473 horsepower with its 3.0 L twin-turbo unit. Apart from that, there's also the 2022 BMW X3 PHEV which combines the standard 2.0 L4 pot with a hybrid unit for better MPG numbers and an overall greener approach in the current scenario. For a full electric option, the BMW X3 2022 is also available. Open the gates to the BMW X3 2022, and the dual-tone color palette on the dashboard and steering wheel reminds you of Alpina's design themes. The steering wheel has been redesigned with newer contours in the center, and buttons in two places to develop a minimalist approach. The center console also includes wireless charging, haptic responsive controls for driving modes, and a play button for the infotainment system. Without changing any dimensions, the interior of the 2022 X3 feels more spacious than before. To cater to the utilitarian and practical side, this trip also offers the largest cargo space in the range of 28.7 cubic meters, which is enough for almost 3 months of household supplies. One of the biggest changes with the LCI is on the exterior of the 2022 BMW X3. On a closer look, the exterior design has subverted from the previous body language and gave to its predecessor. The grille is bigger, but not as bulky as the 4 Series lineup. The LED headlights have a star with the newly launched BMW 4 Series Grand Coupe by means of an LED DRL design. BMW has carved out its identity as a pioneer in driver assistance and safety technology. Despite getting a mid-cycle refresh, the BMW X3 2022 retains the platform from last year, and therefore the safety rating of the X3 2021 is also sufficient. The 2021 BMW X3 carries a perfect 5-star rating from the NHTSA crash test and an overall good rating from the IIHS as well. Expect 2022 X3 to maintain a similar rating.